Are wondering which app do the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 actually uses? So it kind of depends on which kind of phone you have. So if you have Samsung phone, you actually do not need to download any apps. But if you have Android phones that actually isn't Samsung phone, you simply have to head to your Play Store and search for this app called Galaxy Wearable. But yeah, for example, if you want to pair it with a Samsung phone, so all you do is you simply open up your case, and if you have Samsung phone nearby, a pop-up should appear like this. So you see on the screen over here, you can click connect and they will connect. If you, for example, do not see the pop-up, then you simply click and hold this back button here for maybe like a few seconds. So you see, I will click and hold. It will start to blink like this. And then again, it should appear here. So you can simply click connect to connect them. Also, you can simply swipe down as well. Click and hold on your Bluetooth settings, so you can also like click on them here as well. That will also connect them. So yeah, various different ways. And then yeah, okay, let's agree to this stuff. Okay, and then what you do is you simply go to your phone settings, general settings. See, you will have new option that appear here. And as you see, you have the app here where you can customize basically the noise cancellation, for example, different earbud controls, voice controls. By the way, this app is actually a bit different for the non-Samsung phones. I mean, the app is the same, but you won't be able to actually get all these features that they have. So again, it works really the best only with Samsung phones. I mean, like, I would say like 60% of features still actually work with other Android phones as well, but again, some might not be available simply. Also for iPhones, if you are wondering if these can be paired with iPhones, then yep, they can also be paired with iPhones, but on iPhone we do not get any app, so we can only use them just like simple like earbuds. Okay, good luck.